In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap USDT to Solana on Trust Wallet. So I have my Trust Wallet open up in Chrome right now as an extension, but it works the exact same way in an Android or iOS app if you have it on your phone, okay? So the first thing you want to do is once you're inside your Trust Wallet, you want to go up here to where it says swap, and then it says swapping from and to, and you want to click on this BNB that's by default in here. You want to click on it and search for USDT, okay? Once you found it, it says Tether USD, and you want to click on USDT. There we go. And then you want to click select token, so you want to convert to Solana or swap to Solana, and you want to click in type in Solana. There we go. And as you can see, it's the first thing that pops up, so Solana. And then you want to put in how much USDT you want to swap to Solana, and let's say you want to convert 10 USDT to Solana. And as you can see, it says balance exceeded since I don't have any funds on here right now. I don't have any money inside my Trust Wallet, but that's how we do it. So you put in the exact same amount you'd like to swap, or alternatively, you can also just kind of get some money on here and swap it all, okay, as you wish. It's up to you. And then once you type that in, you want to click on swap down here. I can't, but you'll be able to. And once you swap it, you'll see that your USDT will be swapped to Solana.